Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to check your token usage right here in Claude AI. And I was searching right here in just the normal Claude AI. So let's go right here to this Claude AI from here. And if I go right here to the bottom and go to learn more, there's nothing about usage, only policies and things like that. So what we're going to do right here is we go back and we go right here to Cloud Console. So make sure that you Google that and go to Cloud Console. And then after that, what you're going to do is go right here to Analytics, and then you can find right here your usage. So we click right here on usage, and then right now you can find right here all your usages right here in graphs or in nice information. So let's say you want to search right here for everything in March or maybe in February, and then you can find it right here back, and you can find right here your token usage. So I didn't use a single token, so that is why everything is empty, but this is the place where you need to be. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.